Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM621SK in color code 008. It's a black gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold MCM emblem with gold detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of these lenses are blue mirror. And the style of this frame is fashion square. This frame also comes in the MCM case. In the case, you get an MCM microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.